Dear friends, today we shall discuss question number 6. Write the predecessor of a 94. What is the meaning of predecessor? If we subtract 1 from that number, we will get the predecessor. That means the predecessor of 94 is 93. That means 94 minus 1, that is 93. This is the solution of question A. Now B. Here number is 10,000. Therefore you subtract 1 from 10,000. 10,000 subtract 1, that is 9, 9, 9, 9, that is 9,999. Therefore, the predecessor of 10,000 is 9,999. Now question number C. Here you see the number is 90. That means if we subtract 1 from 90, it will be 89. Therefore, the predecessor of 20, 80, 90 is, the last number is 90. Therefore, if we subtract 1 from 90, it will be 89. Therefore, the number will be 2, 0, 8, 0 and 89. Now D. Here you see the number, last number. The last number is 21. Therefore, if we subtract 1 from 21, it will get 20. Therefore, the predecessor of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. Right? This is the solution of question number 6.